Hello everyone, hi, this is Munish. You are watching Crime Tech English and I welcome all of you to Crime Tech family, and I hope everyone part of this Crime Tech family is keeping themselves safe in this pandemic. My friends, there is an ongoing debate in the country. The cases of coronavirus are rising every day. There are people dying due to coronavirus. And the debate is about the prisoners in different jails of our country. There have been reports that hundreds of prisoners who are lodged in different jails, for example, Tihar jail in Delhi or Taloja jail in Maharashtra, there are prisoners who have tested positive for coronavirus, and even some prisoners have died. The recent example is Mohammad Shahabuddin and also Chota Rajan. Mohammad Shahabuddin died, whereas Chota Rajan is still struggling for his life at the AIIMS hospital. Now, why I am giving example of Mohammad Shahabuddin and Chota Rajan, Underworld on Chota Rajan, is because both these prisoners were lodged in two separate cells at the Tihar jail. There are limited prisoners who are allowed to stay in a separate cell, but Mohammad Shahabuddin and Chota Rajan, because they were accused in high-profile cases, they were given separate cell. Still, they got infected with the virus. Now, when it comes to separate cell, the contact of a person who is staying in a separate cell with the outside world is absolutely zero. The only contact they have is with the jail staff, those who come to give them food or clothes or other things, but still they got infected with the virus. Mohammad Shahabuddin lost his life. Chota Rajan is still struggling for his life, battling coronavirus. If they can get infected with the virus, the other prisoners are at high risk. Let me give you one example. If there is, for example, there is one small room. If there is one person, healthy person is staying in that room, that person is safe. That person is safe until unless there is no entry of another person in that room who is infected with the coronavirus. And if that person walks in, if that person is infected with the coronavirus, then there is high chance that the person who was fit, healthy, that person might also get the infection. Now, just imagine there is a little big room, but there are many people, dozens of people staying in that one particular room. And if there is one person who walks into, in that particular barrack or cell or in that particular room, then there are high chances that everyone in that room may get infected with coronavirus. This is how the virus is spreading in the country. Even in open spaces nowadays, there are reports that people are getting infected. So when it comes to prison, then the prisoners are at a very high risk. And, I'll give you another example. For example, Taloja jail. Taloja jail has been in question. Taloja jail is in Maharashtra near Mumbai. I have been to Taloja jail for multiple stories. So when it comes to Taloja jail, it is already overcrowded and there have been serious allegations against the authorities of Taloja jail. In last 1 month, the number of cases where prisoners have tested positive rose from 47 to over 200 cases. 160 jail staff of Taloja jail and other prisons in Maharashtra have tested positive for coronavirus. There are prisoners in Taloja jail who died due to coronavirus. So the situation is not very good. And because we are talking about Taloja jail, I will give you, a better view of what is happening in the prison. Example I will take only of Taloja jail. Because recently I was reading about this pandemic and the inmates who are lodged in jail. Now, there was a recent report in which it was said that Taloja jail has only 3 Ayurvedic doctors As far as the basic medical facility is concerned, there is absolutely zero medical facility in Taloja jail. And the Bombay High Court sought a report. It happened last week. Before that, I will give you example of Vara Vara Rao. It was in the month of February. When Bombay High Court was giving the judgment, I read the judgment, and according to that judgment, Vara Vara Rao, who is 81 years old, accused in the Bhima Koregaon violence case. Now, when the High Court was giving the judgment in that order copy, the remark was made that when it comes to the basic medical facility in Taloja jail, something should be done. Something should be done because it is not up to the mark. Vara Vara Rao, according to that judgment order, the order was given on 22nd of February this year by Bombay High Court. And according to that judgment, once Vara Vara Rao fell sick, when he was sick and when his condition started deteriorating, his condition started getting worse, then he was shifted to a hospital in Mumbai. And when the tests were conducted, then it was found that he is infected with coronavirus. So it means that he got the virus while he was inside Taloja jail. Apart from that, an 81-year-old man who was already suffering with multiple other diseases, he also got infection in his urinary tract. Another indication and remark was given by the Bombay High Court saying that the sanitization was not up to the mark. And the inmates in Taloja jail, they have made several allegations against the superintendent of police, you can say chief of Taloja jail, Kaustubh Khulla. They have alleged that as far as the basic medical facility is concerned, the conduct of Taloja jail is concerned, the administration of Taloja jail is concerned, it is not up to the mark, not as per the standards of Maharashtra prison manual. Now, because we are talking about Kaustubh Khulla, there is already an ongoing case before a tribunal in Maharashtra. It is over the posting of Khulla. So, already there have been remarks that even the state government is not very happy with the conduct of Mr. Khulla. But this is not limited to Taloja jail only. While I don't know personally whether what is the condition of Taloja jail, but there are reports, newspaper reports, there are prisoners who have filed an affidavit, there are judgments by the court, orders by the court, in which this concern has been raised that the basic medical facility in the jail is lacking, especially in Taloja jail in Maharashtra. Now, why it becomes important, my friends? Why there should be a basic medical facility? So, according to law, till the time, if there is an under trial, till the time if a person is not convicted by a court, by an Indian court, till that time, the person should be treated as innocent person. There are many cases where people have spent decades and decades, 20 years, 23 years, in some cases, and finally they were acquitted by the court. Later on, it came that police was working under some vendetta, and the person was framed in that case, and he spent decades. So there are under trials who are still in jail, and because it is a closed premises, there are high chances that a person may get infected with the virus. The only way it can be avoided is if there is a social distancing in the prison, which is very difficult. You need some extra space. You need some, you need some big space where prisoners can be kept at maintaining the social distance in different barracks and cells. Supreme Court last year had given an observation saying that those prisoners who are eligible, not convicted of serious crimes, those who are under trials, the jail authorities and the local courts, they can take a call whether the person should be given bail or not. And after these directions, there were thousands of prisoners. And, especially I will talk about the Har jail. Almost 6,500 prisoners were released on bail. But what happened, my friends, in 1 year, almost 50% of them, they were asked to come back to the jail. But 50% of them have jumped the bail, and now it has become another new headache for the police department to search for those prisoners and lodge them again in the jail. So it is a very complicated topic. Tomorrow, the High Power Committee, which comprises of Justice of Bombay High Court, the ADG level officer of Maharashtra Prison Department, and another bureaucrat, IS officer, Principal Secretary Home of Maharashtra. These three people are meeting in Mumbai, and they will be, having a meeting over this topic, that the prisoners should be allowed to leave from jail premises or not. The prisoners should be shifted to some other big space, so that if there is, if there are less number of people staying in one closed premises, there is less chance of people getting infected with the coronavirus. So this is what the meeting will be all about. I thought this coronavirus should not be limited to people who we know in this country. It is about every citizen of the country. And those who are under trial, those who are not convicted, they should be given, access to at least basic medical facility. Just imagine there is an innocent person who has been lodged in a jail. If the person gets infected with the coronavirus, and if the person dies, who should be blamed? Prison authorities, jail authorities, courts, who should be blamed? And think about the family also. So this is all for today. I think you got my point, what I want to say. It is a concerning matter, and if you want to say anything, if you have any opinion about it, you can post it in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply to the best of my capability. And if you want me to tell you any other story, feel free to post it in the comment box. I will research that story and let you know. Thank you so much.